and quat. Enhance lower body strength. Targets quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings, crucial for daily activities like walking and climbing stairs. And quat. Improve stability and balance. Keeping one foot grounded enhances stability, aiding in balance and injury prevention. And quat. Activate core muscles. Balancing a barbell engages the core and upper body, promoting better posture and core strength. And quat. Functional fitness. Mimics real life movements, improving functional strength for daily tasks. And quat. Adaptable and accessible. Suitable for all fitness levels, adjustable with lighter weights and using a box for support. And quat.